are some things in life worth dying for. But today, dying is not part of the plan.
Mariners at some hotel. How may I help you?
Hello, can you put me through to room 1509, please?
I'm sorry, Mr. Norton. Your wife is not in her room. May I take a message?
Yes. Please tell her the vernissage has been moved up 15 minutes and I don't want to be late. And I'm on my way to the bank for my appointment.
Shifting back to blue. Oh, it was gravity pushing me to you. Give me a reason, yeah, one to believe it. Ooh. Give me a reason, yeah, one to believe it.
Okay? Don't try to be a hero. Because if you do, this will be a very unpleasant day for all of us.
Please. Please. You don't need to do that.
Well, well, well. Looks like we have ourselves a hero over here. You know, they say heroes are immortal. Are you immortal?
Don't do that. There's no need to do that.
I hate cowards. Which number is it?
You can't do that.
Show me where the box is.
I will lose my job. Please.
Well, if you want to save him, you better open the box.
Okay.
Bring it to the table. Now we go, and Mr. Bank Manager stay. Take him. Here, take it.
Come on, take the gun.
No. No one gets hurt, like always.
Just give me the briefcase, darling.
That's my man.
They're right behind us. Let's get out of here.
Honey, a little feedback. You don't have to hit me so hard with the gun. I can make it look real without you breaking every bone in my face.
Overacting runs in my family, what can I say? Nicely done.
Are you sure this is the right direction?
I hate it when you ask me that.
I have the suspect vehicle in sight, traveling north on Anson Road, over. Traveling northbound towards Nala Hill, over. Suspect vehicle just went under an overpass. I lost the visual. I cannot locate the suspect, over. Repeat, I have lost the visual of... What the hell just happened? I see 3 suspect vehicles right now. What the... They're changing lanes, over. I'm unable to identify the suspect vehicle. I repeat, I am not able to identify the suspect, over.
The Paris National Art Collection was handed over a long-lost masterpiece by Leonardo da Vinci today. The Da Vinci piece was being hidden for years by backers of the mafia in a safe deposit box. The FBI estimates the value of the Madonna of the Yarnwinder at approximately 70 million euros. The authorities have not wanted to make any speculations as to whether the bank robbery was in any way related. There is still no trace of the perpetrators, and they managed to escape by outrunning police in their getaway car. They fired automatic weapons and have taken...
You know what?
No
I
money
think
was stolen, and the
next time, I'd like to drive the car.
They managed to escape by outrunning police in their getaway car.
Forget that.
Remain at large.
There are artists and there are art collectors. And we are somewhere in between. Do we make money with it? No. It's not about money. But as I said, there are some things in life worth dying for. And those are the things that we live for.